Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope everyone is doing great and staying safe in this pandemic situation. I hope things are getting better on this pandemic situation. You guys are staying safe, I believe. This is my first YouTube video on this particular channel, and this video talks about one of my dream, and this dream will be showed to you, and also I'll be sharing more information about this particular video and what I'm referring to. My wife was able to help me regarding this particular dream, one of my dream gift she gifted me, and in this particular video I will completely show you guys what it is all about. By the end of the video, you guys will know or will be able to identify what I'm referring, or maybe by the middle of the video itself you guys will know what I'm referring to. And I'm really excited to share all these information with you. And as I said, this is my first YouTube video. I'm not sure how well it is or how good it has come, but I'm just trying to learn new things by watching videos on YouTube and from different channels, and how to take videos or how to upload and all these things. And I'm not sure if these things are really making better, or if not better, I would request you guys to please comment and let me know if there is anything that I would like to change, or something I need to address on this particular video. Maybe that would be implemented on the upcoming videos which I'm going to upload on this channel. And let's quickly get into the video, and I'll show you guys what I'm referring to. Thank you. Thank you. That's fine. I'm aware of. Okay. That's like ignition. Okay. Guys, here is a surprise which I spoke about, Royal Enfield Himalayan, and this is named as Shiv. And after the beast Shiv came to my life, and I changed my channel name as Shiv. And hereafter I'll be traveling most of the places whichever is possible from my end, and I'll provide reviews, and I'll also share feedback and more detailed information about this bike, and you guys will know anything about the bike. So anyone who is interested to go for a Royal Enfield Himalayan, I will also share a review on a next video. Apart from that, wherever I'm traveling or exploring more places, I'll give you more information, so that will be helpful for you to travel in the future. Please mention that on the comment, so I will be able to travel and give you guys more information, so you guys will be aware, or you guys will know more information about the places. And apart from that, if there is any questions or anything feedback that you want to share, please do comment. Please like, subscribe and share this video as much as possible. And signing off from Shiv. Have a wonderful day and stay safe.